Another lovely day. So yeah, we've been really lucky with the weather so far, haven't we? It's been really good. So we had a great day yesterday. That was a nice walk. We are in, where are we today?
Lanzarote.
We're in Lanzarote. Yes, we're in Lanzarote today. Last time we were here, it absolutely tipped with rain, didn't it? So we didn't even get off the boat because even all the excursions were cancelled, everything was cancelled. We only saw it from the boat last time. So we have been here before on holiday, but not on a cruise, so we're not too sure what's in the port. So we're going to go for a bit of a walk. I think there's a bit of a beach a little bit further south where we are, within easy walking distance. So we're going to go that way and see what's around. There's a little castle as well, so I'm sure there'll be something to see, and yeah, it should be a nice walk. Should be probably about an hour's walk or so. Yeah, so lovely day, looking forward to it, and we'll take you along just in case it's any use to you in the future. been a nice walk so far. We've just walked down to a little cafe which is like on its own little island, but really good actually. There's like a little swimming pool there that isn't filled in today. If it was maybe in the summer that they have that open, that'd be really lovely and really nice little cafe. Not that we're going to stop there because we're going to carry on walking for a bit, but so far it's been nice, hasn't it? Definitely been nice walking down here, nice leisurely walk, and yeah, got quite a lot to see. It's good. Well, we walked back into the town, although to be honest, I guess it's Sunday, so they don't bother opening. So actually down through the sort of what looks like the main road, there's just like nothing open. There's Ale Hop and
A couple of others.
yeah, Toffee Apple Shop, but that's it, nothing else open. Not that we really want to go shopping because we just like going for a walk, but it is interesting and definitely something to think about if you do come to this port on a Sunday.